In this video, let's learn how to flash the camera light as our notification light. We can flash this camera light as our notification light. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to mobile settings, scroll down, go to accessibility option. In here, go to advanced settings option. You can see this flash notification option, click on it. In here you can see camera flash notifications option, click on it. You can enable this camera flash notification option. Now you can see a preview in here. Let's check camera flash notification option how to works. You can click on this preview button. You can see how it works. If you like this feature, you can enable this camera flash notification option.